Hey guys, today I'm going to do something a little bit different, and instead of showing you how to use your Instaproofs account, I'm going to show you how to link your Instaproofs account to one of our other web service providers. And the service provider that I'm going to be showing you today is called Zapier. This is their site here. All you do is you go to zapier.com, you create an account, and then what Zapier does is it acts kind of like a connection wizard where you can connect multiple services together. So for example, you can link your Instaproofs account to something else, like for example, maybe you received an order and instead of just getting an email, you also want to receive a text. You can use Zapier to automatically send you a text when an order comes in. Or maybe if you've got a first visitor that comes to one of your galleries, you can record that in a Google spreadsheet. So to start, let's go ahead and make a Zap. Now a Zap is what they call a connection between two different services. So for example, we could link Instaproofs to Google Sheets. You can create a connection by either clicking the Create Zap button at the top or by using this little wizard they have on their dashboard. So I'll say that I want to connect Instaproofs, and then let's send an SMS. So we'll select the SMS by Zapier. Now when this happens, we'll say when we get a new storefront order, we want to send an SMS, and then we can click here, Try It. And that'll take us into this more detailed area where we can define what Instaproofs account, what telephone number to send a text to, and things like that. So at the top, it says Untitled Zap. We can go ahead and name this Instaproofs order to SMS. And then over here, we say that the app and event is going to be Instaproofs. Storefront order received. Click Continue. Then it's going to ask us to choose an Instaproofs account. I already have a couple of accounts set up here, but if we didn't have one set up, you can click the Connect a New Account. So that's what I'll do. Click Connect a New Account. This page will load here that asks you for your Instaproofs username and password. So go ahead and put that in. Click Login. And then it asks you to give permission to Zapier to access your gallery types, your galleries, and your orders. It says, yes, please give Zapier access, or you can say no, but let's go ahead and say yes. We'll submit that. This will refresh on this side. You can see that I just connected to my tutorial account. I click Continue. And now it says to go ahead and test that trigger. So I'm going to click Test Trigger. It pulled up a few of my most recent orders. If you don't have any orders, that's okay. You can still continue. But just select one of your orders, say Continue with Selected Record. And then it's going to ask us to select a phone number to send this to. I already have an account set up here, but let's go ahead and change this. We'll add a new account, and we'll go to phone number. We'll say to send an SMS to confirm it. We'll send that PIN. Then we wait for the confirmation to come in, and then you type in the confirmation number here. Okay, so I've received that confirmation, so I'm going to type that in here. I'm going to continue. And now it's selected that number to send this text to. Go ahead and click Continue again. The action is going to be, it's asking us to choose a from number. You can either choose a specific number that you want these texts to come from, or you can say random. I'm going to go ahead and select random. And then you enter the message that you want to receive when the order comes in. So we can say here, new order from Instaproofs. I'll say gallery. Then down here in this list of available items, select gallery. And I will say total. And then down, I'll look through these options again down here and find the order total. And then I'll say customer. And I'll pick my customer's name from this list. So I'll do the shipping full name. Once that's done, click the X here, hit continue. And now it asks you if you want to test it. I'll go ahead and test it. And it says here that an SMS was sent successfully about 1 second ago. If I check my phone, I can see that yes, I did receive a text. It shows the gallery, the total, and the name. So that's all good. And then you click Publish. Once the Zap's been published, what that means is that every time you receive an order, now you're going to get a text that tells you that an order came in. So some other Zaps that you might want to create might include every time you get an order, you add your customer to your Flowdesk account or your Mailchimp account or some other account that you might have for sending advertising emails outside of Instaproofs. Or maybe you want to record all of your orders in a Google spreadsheet. You can do that. And there's just a whole bunch of different things that you can do with it. But I think this should give you a good idea of how to set it up and how to make it work. If you have any questions at all, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com, and we'd be glad to help you out.